do you think would be the main three things within the data analysis in order to improve the company's performance? I think the main three things within data analysis to improve company's performance would be first, identifying the goal. Second, data gathering and analysis, and the third one, data that supports that goal. So let's go the staffing and the volume. So we will need data as to how many volume we had for specific to handle a specific time, and also the number of the staffing we have. So if we already have the number of staff, is it sufficient? Are we lacking? And what is the desired service level for the customer? Okay. And then for the data gathering and analysis, that is where we will identify which data can be used on and which data we will need to omit. Okay. In forecasting, there are events and that we consider as a one-time event, which means that it needs not to be included in the list to have an accurate forecast. And the third one, that's interpretation of the data. So now that we already have a clean data, that the data were omitted, unnecessary data were omitted from the report, that will be the time to interpret the data into something that we can use to make a decision. So once we already have a clean data, we will have to decide if we have the right amount of what do you think would be the main three things within the data analysis in order to improve the company's performance? I would say the three things within the data analysis would be the first one is to identify the objective. The second one is data and analysis, data gathering and analysis. And the third one is the interpretation of the data. So the first one, identifying the objective, we will need to identify what our goals are. So let's say if the goal is to get the right number of resources to handle a specific volume, then we will need to get data that supports that goal. And that's the second one, the data gathering and analysis. Okay, in data gathering, analysis shows that are we lacking a specific number of agents, or we have an excess. Okay, so the interpretation should also hold the goal. So what are we trying to accomplish here? And that should be answered by the interpretation. things to consider. There's tons of skills that leadership possesses. However, for me, if you're going to ask yourself, the most important thing or skill that the team leader should have is adaptability. So, a team leader or they have the willingness to perform, but most importantly, they don't have the capacity to perform. So if that happens, you should know, someone in leadership should know to provide a or to apply a transformational style for that someone. It should be Socratic style. So for me, adaptability. Ish. Which things you consider important as a team leader? Um, for me, there are a lot of things that we can consider but for me, the most important, if I'm going to cite just one, the most important thing is the team leader should have the adaptability to perform multiple leadership styles based on the situation. For example, the most preferred or the most effective, positive in everything is the consensus style. Because everyone would like to be heard. Everyone would like to be given a chance to share their suggestions. And that's very positive and that's everyone would like. However, not with that style, it's very time consuming. So you have to browse, you have to talk with the team, you have to announce it, and you will be getting all the different questions, and then you will have to understand each of their point. It will really take but from the most
Bye
important
guys.
thing to consider is